Well, it's not the cat, but it is a hungry opossum. So I'm not mad because they do eat ticks. He found the house and he found the food. So I'm really not mad. He's just trying to make a living. I heard the noise. And it's okay. He's just not afraid of anything, is he? Or she? Well, but he got a good meal. And she's rummaging for grubs now. And cleaning up after dinner. Like a good guest. Well, the meal did not go to waste, so that's quite a blessing. Okay then. We'll let this little critter go. Be on its way. Trying to disappear into the dark. Glad you had a good meal there. Clean that plate up quite well. How are you going to eat the plate? She did like the bed underneath the chair. I know she was checking that out, so I think she might be back. Though it was made for a cat, I don't mind if it gets used by a possum. They do eat a lot of ticks. They're our friends.